in the dark. Didn't see it coming, but you lit my heart. Every word, every smile, every turn is a feeling I can't unlearn. Didn't rush, didn't need to know. Love like this takes time to grow. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. This love's a flame, a slow burn. Every night you're closer still. Every silence gives me chills. I don't need forever to understand. You're the fire that warms my hands. No hurry, no doubt, I know what's real. It's love I can touch, I can feel. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. This love's a flame. Embers glow, hearts collide. I'm lost in you, nowhere to hide. Every second pulls me in, let this fire never end. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. This love's a flame. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. In a room full of faces, I only see you. 1,000 voices fade, your smile shines through. Every step I take, it leads me near to the only heart I hold dear. I've been lost before, I've been unsure, but with you I don't need more. No one but you, my heart beats true. No one but you, I'm falling into. In every dream, in everything I do, there's no one but you. The crowd fades out, the lights go low. You're the only rhythm I I've searched the skies, I've walked alone, but with you I found my home. I found my home. No one but you, my heart beats true. No one but you, I'm falling into. In every dream, in everything I do, there's no one but you. When the world turns cold and gray, you're the sun that lights my way. Every heartbeat calls your name. Love like this will never fade. No one but you, my heart beats true. No one but you, I'm falling into. No one but you. Wrapped in silk, the night surrounds every heartbeat, a gentle sound. Your hand in mine, the world fades away. We dance with shadows, lost in the sway. Stars above paint our sky, every glance, every sigh. The night is ours, no need for words. Every moment sing like a song unheard. Silken stars, we're drifting slow in your arms. I never let go. Every time a story told, every heartbeat turns to gold. Silken stars beneath the moon, dancing together, ending too soon. Lost in the night, just you and me, floating where love is free. Your eyes like constellations bright, guiding me through this endless night. The world disappears when you're near. Every whisper, a melody I hear. Soft breaths, gentle fire, Moments like this never tire. No need to speak, no need to move. Our hearts in rhythm, lost in groove. Silken stars, we're drifting slow. In your arms, I never let go. Every touch, a story told. Every heartbeat turns to silken stars beneath the moon. Dancing together, ending too soon. Lost in the night, just you and me. Floating where love is free. Every movement a whispered dream. Every glance a gentle gleam. The night is soft, the world is ours. We melt together beneath the stars. Yeah. Time suspends, the air feels still. Every heartbeat echoes our will. Wrapped in silk, we touch the sky. Silken stars, we're drifting slow in your arms. Every time a story told, every heartbeat turns to gold. Dancing together, ending too soon. Lost in the night, just you and me. Floating where love is free. The night fades, but the feeling stays. Your warmth, your gazing, endless arrays. Silken stars, our secret skies. Tonight we dance, just you and I. The city sleeps, but we're still awake, counting stars for every breath we take.
Your hand in mine, time starts to slow. The night's too short to let you go.
We don't need tomorrow yet.
Let's stay here where our hearts met. Stay until sunrise. Hold me through the light. Don't let this moment fade into the night. The world can wait, just you and I. Stay until sunrise. You and I.
The moon hides low, the sky turns gold. But your warmth's the light I wanna hold.
Every second feels like forever true. As long as I'm lost here with you.
Let the dawn take its time. Your heart beats close to mine. Stay until sunrise. Hold me through the light. Don't let this moment fade into the night. The world can wait, just you and I. Stay until sunrise. I still hear your voice in the quiet of the night, like a whisper carried through fading light. Every corner holds a trace of you. Every shadow reminds me what I knew. I thought time would fade the sound, but it keeps spinning round and round like a song that won't let go. You're the rhythm I still know. Echoes of you still calling my name. In the dark, it don't feel the same. Every breath, every dream I chase, I still feel your touch in this empty space. Echoes of you, they linger inside. No matter how far I run, I can't hide. You're the sound my heart repeats, the song I can't delete. Your laughter plays where silence falls. In my mind, I still hear it all. Even the walls remember your tone. Now I'm just dancing here alone. Try to drown the noise away, but your memory always finds a way. Every night when the stars appear, it's your echo I still hear. Echoes of you still calling my name. In the dark, it don't feel the same. Every breath, every dream I chase, I still feel your touch in this empty space. Echoes of you, they linger inside. No matter how far I run, I can't hide. You're the sound my heart repeats, the song I can't delete. I close my eyes, but you're still near. Your voice, your touch is crystal clear. Love fades, but the sound remains. A gentle ghost that calls my name. Maybe someday the echoes will fade, but tonight they're all that's left. You made every heartbeat's playing you. Every silence sings the truth. Echoes of you still haunting my mind. In the rhythm of love we left behind. Chase, I still feel your touch in this empty space. Echoes of you forever replayed in the music our hearts once made. You're the song I'll never undo, the endless echo of you. Fading whispers of lost and true. Every night I still hear you. Love playing, but it never dies. It lives in echoes and behind. Wrapped in silk, the night surrounds. Every heartbeat a gentle sound. Your hand in mine, the world fades away. We dance with shadows, lost in the sway. Stars above paint our sky, every glance, every sigh. The night is ours, no need for words. Every moment sing like a song unheard. Silken stars, we're drifting slow in your arms. I never let go. Every time a story told, every heartbeat turns to gold. Silken stars beneath the moon, dancing together, ending too soon. Lost in the night, just you and me, floating where love is free. Your eyes like constellations bright, guiding me through this endless night. The world disappears when you're near. Every whisper, a melody I hear. Soft breaths, gentle fire. Moments like this never tire. No need to speak, no need to move. Our hearts in rhythm, lost in groove. Silken stars, we're drifting slow in your arms. I never let go. Every time a story told, every heartbeat turns to gold. Silken stars beneath the moon, dancing together, ending too soon. Lost in the night, just you and me, floating where love is free. Every movement a whisper, a dream. Every glance a gentle gleam. The night is soft, the world is ours. We melt together beneath the stars. Time suspends, the air feels still. Every heartbeat echoes our will. Wrapped in silk, we touch the sky. Silken stars, we're drifting slow in your arms. Every time a story told, every heartbeat turns to gold. Dancing together, ending too soon. Lost in the night, just you and me, floating where love is free. The night fades, but the feeling stays. Your warmth, your gazing, endless arrays. Silken stars, our secret skies. Tonight we dance, just you and I. By seeing you, I start to imagine just me and you. No crowd, no distraction. Your smile paints colors I can't explain. Every thought of you runs through my veins. I've been silent for too long, hiding feelings in every song. But tonight the moon feels right to let my heart step into the light. Midnight confession, I'm laying it bare. Under the stars I whisper a prayer. No more pretending, no disguise. Girl, I see forever in your eyes. Midnight confessions, heart beating slow. I waited for this, now you should know. All that I wanted, all that I do, leads me right back to you. Yeah. Your laughter lingers like a sweet melody. It's like the night was made for you and me. Every heartbeat speaks your name. Every silence feels the same. I used to dream you'd feel it too. Now I'm standing here telling the truth. The world fades, it's only us two. Under the moon's silver hue. Midnight confession, laying it there. Under the stars I whisper a prayer. No more pretending, no disguise. Girl, I see forever in your eyes. Midnight confessions, heart beating slow. I waited for this, now you should know. All that I wanted, all that I do, leads me right back to you, yeah. Every word I never said now dances softly in my head. If love's a fire, I'm not afraid to burn. With you there's nothing left to unlearn. When the night fades into the dawn, I'll still be here, love carrying on. No regrets, no turning away. You're the truth I found today. Midnight confession, my soul is free. Under the moon, it's just you and me. Oh, every secret I've kept inside now shines in your eyes tonight. Midnight confessions, I won't let go. Our hearts are speaking, the stars all know. If love's a story, it starts right here with my midnight confession. Clear. The world is quiet, just our breath in the air. Two souls confessing, nothing to compare. It fades, but the feeling stays true. My confession begins and ends with you. Started with a glance, spark in the dark, didn't see it coming, but you lit my heart. Every word, every smile, every turn, it's a feeling I can't unlearn. Didn't rush, didn't need to know. Love like this takes time to grow. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. This love's a flame, a slow burn. Every night you're closer still. Every silence gives me chills. I don't need forever, understand. You're the fire that warms my hands. No hurry, no doubt, I know what's real. It's love I can't touch, I can feel. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. This love's a flame. Embers glow, hearts collide. I'm lost in you, nowhere to hide. Every second pulls me in. Let this fire never end. It's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire I can't hide. No rush, no fear, just let it turn. This love's a flame, it's a slow burn, lighting up inside. Every touch, every look, it's a fire